Welcome to Roxy Rose Ranch. Nestled in the hills of East Medford, this great property offers an unparalleled blend of location and equestrian facilities. Set upon 5 acres, this location provides convenient access to Medford's bustling business districts and enjoys an elevated rural lifestyle. It is the best of both worlds. The property features a hillside view home, irrigated pastures, and full-featured equestrian facilities. As you approach the property, you'll see it has been meticulously cared for with attention to detail. The equestrian amenities are robust and includes over 2,000 feet of fencing, including 4 pastures, a covered riding arena, main barn, and a well-lit outdoor arena. A tack room, wash rack, and feed room support 25 stalls throughout the facility. The home boasts vaulted ceilings in the kitchen and living room that create a light-filled and airy ambiance. Windows wrap around the living space, providing stunning panoramic views of the valley during the day and the city lights at night. The home features a split floor plan with 3 bedrooms and 2.5 baths. The daylight basement offers a laundry, mechanical room, and a large bonus space. This equestrian opportunity is located in a beautiful region known for abundant natural beauty and world-renowned attractions, such as the Rogue River, Crater Lake National Park, and many more recreational opportunities. Centrally located on the I-5 corridor between the San Francisco Bay Area and the metropolitan areas of Portland and Seattle, Medford is known for its mild Mediterranean climate and attractive small-town culture. Thank you for touring this property with us today.